Check this video out.
This steak has been curing in honey for 7 days, and we're gonna cook it.
Regardless of what we do with this, it's gonna be sweet, so seasoned heavily with salt and pepper on all sides.
I'm gonna show you how you can recreate this and any video you see online using ChatGPT, VO3, and Dream Labs. Let's get started. Alright, we're gonna go into ChatGPT. I already created it, so basically, put a screenshot of the video and try to just roughly describe the video or the first 8 seconds-ish, because VO3 only creates up to 8-second clips. So create a prompt for VO3. He basically lifts a large piece of steak in a bucket of clear honey and says what he says, and then maybe a new scene where he's seasoning the steak, right? And this is what ChatGPT gave us. Let's copy it and head over to Flow. Alright, I just copied it. We're going to go over to labs.google/flow and paste it into the prompt. Alright, just pasted the full prompt into VO3. Text to video, we're using the fast model, 1 output per, and let's see what it creates. Alright, let's check it out.
This steak has been curing in honey for 7 days, and we are going to cook it. This steak has been
a fully recreated video from the X video that we just watched, from the model to his gloves to even the cut of steak, even the cutting board. It's all the same. And this just shows you can make any or recreate any video you see online with ChatGPT prompting and VO3. All right, now that we have a landscape version, I'm going to show you how you can change this 16:9 to a 9:16 aspect ratio. First, we're going to download the video in its original size. Go to dreammachine.lumalabs.ai and go to editor. We're going to upload our media really quickly, just like that. All right, then we're going to hit reframe and just describe briefly what the top and bottom is going to look like. Just said he's in a regular kitchen. He's cooking on a kitchen island, so like an island in the kitchen, and the island's gonna have a white marble countertop. Let's preview what this is gonna look like. Let's preview, and boom, we have 4 options to choose from. I see he's kind of changing his hair just because it cut off in the beginning, but looks amazing, to be honest. I'm gonna choose this one. Seems the most natural, and I click apply. Once you click apply, you click the send prompt, and just wait a few minutes for Ray to generate your video.
This steak
And let's take a look.
has been curing in honey for 7 days, and we are going to cook it.
All right, just like that, we have a fully made AI recreation of any video you would like, just using 3 AI tools. What do you guys think?